Hi, I'm Tori, and I am an instructor for the Somatica Institute. I am also a licensed marriage and family therapist and also a certified sex and relationship coach with Somatica. I initially did this training for personal growth back in 2015 and blew my mind. I was able to move through years of sexual shame. As a therapist, I began to apply some of this work. It has helped me become a more relational with my clients, and I feel like that's really made a big difference in the way that sessions go and the depth of work and connection. Additionally, this training prepared me to be able to talk very comfortably and in a shame-free way about sex, relationships, sexuality, any challenges in the realm of sex and relationships. I can say so many powerful and good things about this training. It's probably one of the best ones I've ever done for myself personally,